This video demonstrates how to operate a FANUC CNC machine using the FANUC online platform. Start by signing in, then click on Machine Simulation to start the module. Select FANUC System from the left panel to enter the machining center. Then click the I button to view the inside of the CNC machine. Click Control Panel from the top menu and then the green button to turn on the machine. After the machine powers on, there should be a flashing red alarm sign. To disable the flashing sign, click on the X, Y, and Z button, followed by clicking the plus button after each one. This experiment uses a design with dimensions of 100 by 100 by 100 inches and is made of carbon steel. So we are going to enter the same dimensions and material into the workpiece settings. To load or unload tools, click the Tool Magazine button and uninstall any tools installed into the spindle. Add tools by clicking on it from the Select and Add Cutter section. Name the tool and enter the sizes needed. This experiment uses a flat bottom tool that has a handle and bit diameter of 10 inches. After setting up the workpiece and tool, set the mode dial to the manual operation position, then click the spin clockwise button to start the spindle. To change the position of the spindle, go to the workpiece settings and choose one of the 5 circles as the spindle's starting position. In this experiment, we need to align the tool with the bottom right corner of the workpiece. Move the tool away from the workpiece by pressing the Z button followed by the plus button. Now a program is needed. Click the Reset button to clear out any active programs. Then change the mode dial to Edit mode. Then click the Program button. Any loaded programs will now be displayed. Click the Program List Off key to enter a new program name page. Use the keys on the top right panel to input the name of the new program. Then press the Insert button. Open the program list from the top menu and upload the CNC machining program into the machine storage. Change the mode dial to the automatic processing position. Select the program and press Input to add it to the active list. Then click the green Cycle Start button to start the automatic processing. Select Machining Workpiece and enter in the name of the workpiece. Once everything is done, click the square red button on the pendant to power off the machine. If the workpiece needs further work done, it can be loaded by clicking the Auto Load button after setting up a workpiece. For more information, visit phoenixl.com.